Hi everyone, welcome back. Listen, it's official. It's that time of the year where I decide my entire personality is a Christmas tree. So I saw this look of beautiful deep forest greens and red gems, and I thought I could do that. But then I looked at my palette and saw I didn't have enough gold. Because if we're not blinding people with our makeup, what are we even doing? Today we're doing a hyper festive, slightly extra, and I'm going to show you how I blend these greens without looking like I have a black eye. Grab your coffee or your cocoa and let's get into it. We want to control this look, so I added some tape and I started off with an angled brush. And we're going to be starting with a deep green matte shade. And the trick here is to be patient. If you rush the blend, it's game over. We're going to be packing it on the outer corner first. So you'll notice in this segment here, I switch between two brushes, the angled brush and a more fluffier brush. I'm packing on the color with an angled brush and putting it where I want, and then I continue to blend it out with the clean, fluffy brush. So I'm grabbing a small liner brush, and this is gonna help better control that shade. If you look in the picture here, she drags this color almost to the inner corner of her eye. So I don't know yet if I'm going to be dragging it in that deep, but I do know I'm going to be pulling it in further into the inner corner. So to help me do that, the liner brush is going to give you better control of that dark shade. Then go ahead and grab your small blendy brush and blend that in. So you'll notice here I start to get a little bit more riskier, and I'm going to drag it in like she does into the inner corner. So I carefully take that liner brush and place the shade where I want it, then take that angled brush and blend it out a little bit further. Then take that third brush, that clean blendy brush, nice and fluffy, and continue to blend out the color even further. So now I want to take this champagne shade and kind of highlight the brow bone and also layer it where the green meets. This is going to add warmth and really make those brown eyes pop. So to make this look cohesive, I grabbed this gel liner by Appeal, one of my favorites, and I add this to the bottom waterline and to my lash line. Then I'll go ahead and grab the same shade we use on our top lid, and I'll add that to the bottom lash line. And this is just going to help ensure that the liner stays on all day. Now for the gold update. As I mentioned earlier, I didn't have enough gold in my palette, so I decided to pick this one up. And it wasn't what I expected. It was a lot creamier than I expected it to be, so I had to use this more like a base, and you'll see here why I say that. In a few minutes I'll show you what I did next to make this color really pop. So you'll notice I had to really pack this color on and keep layering it to get the color that I wanted. So I finally got tired of layering this on top, and I took another route, and I took my palette, a different palette by Fantasy, and I took their gold shade they have, and I added this just on top of what we already have, and it turned out really, really great. So to add this little line here, I take Wet n Wild's palette in the champagne shade, and I go ahead and also take LA's palette in their champagne shade. And because LA's palette is more creamier, this kind of just slides right on, and it made a pretty good line. Go ahead and finish off with a few coats of mascara. Now for the part that tests my sanity, the gems. I'm going to be using a tiny bit of glue and adding this onto my face first. I learned this the hard way, so you don't have to. We're going to be alternating between red and green stones, and I'm also going to tie in a little bit of white stones just to fill in the gaps. Now you can't do a holiday look without a bold red lip. I'm going for a classic matte red, but wait for it. I'm taking a tiny bit of that gold pigment from earlier and I'm tapping it just on the center of my bottom lip. It's gonna give a subtle metallic pout that catches the light when I walk. At this point in the process, I'm usually wondering if I've gone too far. Then I remember, there's no such thing as too far in December. If your neighbors can't see your highlight from across the street, add more. And here's the finished look. We've got the green, red, and that gorgeous gold accent we added. I feel like I should be perched on top of a Christmas tree right now. I want to know, are you a natural glow holiday person or a full-on ornament person like me? Let me know in the comments. And if you tried this look, please tag me. I want to see your gold pivots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and go eat some gingerbread. I'll see you in the next one. And always remember, makeup is just art, real beauty is in your spirit. Ciao.